So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add bullet points to cells here in Google Sheets. So once Google Sheets is opened up, which is opened up for me right now, I just have like a grocery list right here. Now, what you can actually do is go in and you can go and press dash right there. You can press dash right there, and you can kind of do it the manual way, but that doesn't look super great. It's a little tedious as well because if you have like a ton of this stuff, it's not really going to matter. If you were to highlight it right here and go to these information, so you can go line, you can do all this stuff right here, but none of this stuff is really what we're looking for here. So what I want you guys to do is go to the cell right here, press in front of it, and if you want a nice circle bullet point right here, I want you guys to do the following. I want you guys to press Option and then press 8. Then press a space. Go down, Option plus 8, press Option plus 8. And as you can tell, I have wonderful bullet points here right in the cells. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add bullet points to cells here in Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.